Hi there. Take the dog with you.
Foster?
Thank you. Hi there. Priceline Girl here. So, I wanted to share with you a little look back at my yard through the year. I decided at the beginning of this year that I was going to take 5 photos of different parts of my yard at the beginning of every month. I started this in February, so I'm missing January, but otherwise I have the photos of every month from February to December, right in the first day or two of the month, so they're very consistently timed and spaced, and for the most part they're standing in pretty much the same spot, so you'll get a fairly thorough view of the entire yard. I did this mostly for myself, so some of the photos aren't super well set up as far as perfectly manicured lawns and spaces in my yard, but I thought it was an interesting thing to look at as I went through it, and a great record to keep, to look back on how things progress and change in my yard, and to see things that I might want to change or tweak. So I hope you enjoy this quick look through the months as much as I did. So what did you think? It's kind of a neat thing to look at. I would highly encourage anyone who enjoys time spent out in their yard and garden to give this a try and see what you think. Just out of curiosity, who noticed the snow falling in April? It's quite the ride when it comes to weather here in Saskatchewan, Canada, and we get it all. So, in fact, right now it's the end of December, and this tree is tripping on me as we've hit the just above freezing mark. But no worries, it's going to be really cold out again tomorrow. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.